different styles. So, but they those 10 or 12 okay? So, and that was actually Harvard's idea. Parents are here as we watched the total 52 episodes. As we watched episode, Harvard said, okay, so we kind of had voting. Frenchman doesn't. Okay, so we kind of had voting. Frenchman doesn't vote much. In the sense that like two kids who get the hand like kind of maybe voting, maybe not, maybe voting, maybe not, maybe that's my hair. The rest go like maybe that's my hair. The rest go like look at that one, look at that one. So who are just having fun, living their lives without the problems and the responsibilities of grown ups. So if your cameras ready, I know there's a lot of anxious parents and French fun.